Ta-da! Welcome to, ooh, oh my god, big room. Welcome to Hilton Hotel Manila, Philippines. Wow. I thought that it's another space, but it's a reflection, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the reflection. Okay, so this is our living room. This is our living room and the outside toilet. Outside toilet. He booked this standard king room, and then because of we are the diamond member, so I believe this is the upgrade because of the diamond member. And then it's got fresh water for free. And then this is the bedroom. Wow, it's very nice room though.
Yeah, take a look at the bathroom. It's even better.
Yeah. This is the bedroom, still comfy. Wow. Huge bathroom. You got bathtub and then huge washing sink, and you got your private toilet here. Your private toilet here. Wow. What? This is like a king executive suite. Ooh. Okay, so the bathroom, separate shower, and then the toilet here. Man, this room I can. So this room is making me feel like you have like a space more and more because of like everything is like a mirror and so clear. So it's kind of like whether you can go through or the mirror, but actually it has the mirror block between the toilet and then the shower room. It's very nice. And then as usual, this is the bathrobe, and then working desk or makeup desk. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We are back to the hotel, and let me show you guys the lounge, executive lounge. Hello. Hello. Hi. So just want to show you guys the real quick the lounge, and this is the sitting area, and then I don't know, right now it's 2:41. They don't really have anything, so they basically have this, that, prawn cracker, peanut, and then oh, what is that? What is this fruit?
Oh, that is it's like a local passion fruit now.
Ah, okay.
It's a bit sweet inside.
How to eat that one?
You're gonna cut it in half, and then you're just gonna eat everything inside.
Okay.
Just leave the skin alone.
All right. Interesting. Let's try this. And then
It looks like a peach inside.
yeah. Okay. Let's try this one. And then coffee. Yeah. And for the alcohol, I guess they are closing now. Yeah. So normally alcohol they always lock, and they can serve like from 6 to 9. Where the food they sell, but right now it's not the food hours yet. So yeah. Alright, so we are heading to show you guys the pool real quick before we are heading to the airport. Okay, so this is the outside area where the pool is. This looks really nice. Pretty cool. Alright, so this is the pool. Looks amazing. Wow, look at that. That's really nice. So we are walking now to another side of the pool, and like you can see, there's two long length rope putting in the middle of the way. First, I thought it's something like for people who race, sing or swimming practice or whatever, but it also can be like to protect like the turbulence from the other gas that kind of like jumping or whatever, so it's stable from another side, I would just guess. Anyway, it's really I kind of like really sad that we didn't have time to enjoy this pool since we have like a really short layover here and we just need a hotel for sleep in the morning, and then now we are about to get ready to the airport. But before that, we want to show you guys how is the pool area. And this is kind of like, you know, kind of like you are at the beach and then you can see the food vendor standing by, so then you can have some snack. And yeah, so we are heading back to the airport now. We are heading back to the airport, and then you can drive the normal way or the skyway. Skyway, right? The skyway, but the skyway you need to pay for the fee plus the taxi. If you have a really long layover in Philippines like us today, we would suggest to get out of the city and, you know, see whatever you want to see around the city, but do your research first. So for us, we went to check in at the Hilton Hotel for a little sleep, and then we are heading to the city as you already see in the previous video episode. So whatever the hours that you have for the layover here, just make sure you need to come back 2 hours before your flight to make sure that you are not missing your connection. Of course, you will be having a little more time like normal because you don't need to do the check-in. That is the good part. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching and coming along with us today to the Hilton Hotel and see Manila City as you see in the previous video. And we will see you guys in the next episode for our journey. And for now, you guys have a great day. Bye. We are back to the airport now, and the good thing is we just walked straight to the security without checking in because we have the boarding pass already. So yeah,